Briefing. DNV Ship Manager Cyber Attack, January 2023. DNV, a company that provides software and services to the maritime industry, was hit by a cyber attack on January 7, affecting 70 customers. The company is still working to recover from the attack and has said that servers for its Ship Manager software remain offline. In a statement, DNV said that external technical experts have been brought in to investigate the attack, which has also been reported to the police and other relevant authorities. The company also stated that there are currently no indications that any of its other software or data has been affected by the attack and that the server outage is limited to the Ship Manager platform. According to DNV, ship management solutions simplify and optimize your software setup, increases transparency and productivity, and allows customers to reduce external costs incurred in ship management. The Ship Manager platform provides technical, operational and compliance aspects, with solutions for technical management, procurement, hull integrity management, dry docking, QHSE and crewing. Jim Mckenney, an industry analyst, notes that solutions such as Ship Manager require tight integration of different technologies and supplier, which is often complex. DNV is communicating daily with all 70 affected customers to update them on the findings of the ongoing forensic investigations. In total, around 1,000 vessels are affected. The company apologized for the disruption and inconvenience that this incident may have caused. On January 9, DNV confirmed that its Ship Manager software was hit by a cyber attack on January 7 and that it had shut down the Ship Manager's IT servers in response to the incident. DNV stated that all users can still use the onboard, offline functionalities of the Ship Manager software. However, at this point in time, there are no indications that any other software or data by DNV is affected. DNV's own experts are working closely with the company's global IT security partners to investigate the incident and to put in place a technical recovery plan. DNV's Ship Manager product is sold through Norway-based DNV, and DNV said it is in dialogue with the Norwegian police about the incident. The company said it will ensure operations are online, as soon as possible, and that affected customers have been informed of a 24/7 support hotline. The maritime industry has seen a number of high-profile cyber attacks in recent years, with one of the most recognized incidents involving shipping giant Maersk in 2017. More recently, Singapore-based ship and offshore rig building specialist Sembcorp Marine reported a cyber incident in August 2022. The company said the cyber attack involved an unauthorized party accessing part of its IT network via third-party software products. In October 2022, a study published in the Marine Policy Journal argued that there is an urgent need for comprehensive and innovative international maritime security laws to address cybersecurity threats. Jim Mckenney, an industry analyst, noted that ports, ships, maritime supply chains, and major offshore infrastructure including oil and gas installations relies heavily on operational technology and tight integration to business systems for nearly every aspect of operation and management. This deployment pattern is often the target of cyber attacks from so-called activists, terrorists, and international cyber criminals. Thanks for watching. Follow on Twitter at McKenneyBrief.